And so let's look at the third problem from chapter 6, Einstein level. 20 people need 10 gallons of milk per week. So we say, let's write it as a ratio. So 20 people, 10 gallons. And the question is, well, what if we just had 2.5 gallons? How many people could that serve? And so this is a great ratio because it gives us a chance to look at several different ways to solve ratios. So what is the relationship between the top and bottom? So the top is twice the bottom. So if you go this way, the one on top is 2 times bigger. And that's often the easiest way to do something. Okay, so we can look at it that way. What about if we go from side to side? Well, 10 gallons is, if you divide it into 4 parts, is 2.5. Now the third way that we can do this, third way is often the most useful way is, well, what is it, how many people is 1 gallon going to serve? And 1 gallon, you say, well, this appears to be this 2-to-1 relationship, so it appears to be 2 people could go with 1 gallon. Right. And those are the 3 ways we could look at it. Now, which is the easiest? Well, times 2 isn't too bad, right? So what about 2.5 times 2? So 2.5 times 2, well, if we double 2, we get 4, and we double 1/2, we get 1, so that would be 5, so we could get 5 that way. We could also do a divided by 4, so the relationship from side to side is divided by 4, so 20 divided by 4 is 5. And so those would be the 2 that would be useful in that one.